Today we celebrate the everyday heroes we call Dad. Dads come in all shapes, sizes, and styles. Some tell the best dad jokes, others just laugh at ours. Some are quiet, steady hands. Some are loud cheerleaders at every game. But no matter what, dads show up. They teach us how to tie our shoes, ride a bike, and remind us that it's okay to make mistakes. They're there for scraped knees and broken hearts. Dads work hard, sometimes behind the scenes, making sure we have what we need, even if it means putting themselves last. They listen, they guide, and they stick with us, through thick and thin. And let's not forget those classic dad moments, grilling in the backyard, falling asleep in front of the TV, or giving the world's best bear hugs. Today, let's thank you for the little things and the big things, for showing up, standing strong, and loving unconditionally. To every dad, stepdad, foster dad, and father figure, your love shapes our lives in a million ways. You make the world a better place, just by being you. So here's to you, Dad. You're amazing and you're loved, today and every day. Happy Father's Day.